Welcome to Simple Spoken English. Let me start with a question. What if learning English could feel easy? Not like school, not like a boring class, but like a story, your story. Because today, I'm not here to just give tips. I'm here to take you on a journey, my journey, your journey, our journey. Let's go back in time. There was a time when I didn't know a single word of English. Yes, not even hello. I used to feel nervous, scared, even embarrassed. Have you ever felt that? That sinking feeling when people speak and you freeze? That was me. But then something changed. And it wasn't a grammar book. It was a story. An English story I heard one evening. I didn't understand it fully, but I felt something. So I listened again. And again. Every single day. The same story. The same voice. And slowly, something happened. The words started to make sense. First, one word, then another, then a whole sentence. My fear started melting away. That's when I learned one of the biggest secrets of learning English. Don't start with pressure. Start with presence. Just listen. That's your first key to fluency. Listening. Not once, not twice, every day. Stories, songs, podcasts, news. Let them become the background music of your life. Why does this work? Because when you listen, you do more than hear words. You feel them. You hear how they're said, where the pauses go, how the tone changes. Your brain begins to understand even before you study. And guess what? You're learning without even trying too hard. That's called passive learning, and it's incredibly powerful. So here's a small challenge for you. Start your day tomorrow by listening to an English story, even for just 5 minutes, and do it every day for a week. Write "Challenge accepted" in the comments if you're in. Because trust me, your ears are your superpower. Use them well, and English will slowly become part of your thinking. Let's talk about practice. Not perfect practice, just daily practice. There's a famous line, "Practice makes perfect." But here's what I learned. Practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes progress. When I started speaking, I made mistakes. Lots of them. Sometimes people laughed. Sometimes I laughed at myself. But I kept going. I spoke in English even if it was broken. Even if I got stuck mid-sentence, even if I had to switch to my native language midway. That's okay, because every mistake was a step forward. Every wrong word was a lesson in disguise. So speak. Speak out loud. Speak to yourself. Speak to the mirror. Your mouth needs practice, just like your mind. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now. Right now. Say one sentence in English out loud. Just one. Let it be awkward. Let it be real. That's how fluency is built. One raw, honest sentence at a time. I'll take you into my secret world of books, the power of reading, and how one story about a lost cat changed my vocabulary forever. We'll also explore how writing in a dusty old notebook transformed my confidence. Please comment below if you need next video. The journey's just getting started.